Hi, welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to make something from Indianish by Priya Krishna. We're going to make Aloo potato parathas. They're kind of like a potato pancake. So let's get started. So our first step is to make the dough. We have 1 cup whole wheat flour, and then we have a 1/2 cup room temperature water. We have a 1/4 teaspoon vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil. And a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Now we're going to mix this together with our hands. And mix it into a ball. It should be slightly sticky, which it is. Okay. And now we're going to wrap it in plastic and let it rest for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. The dough is resting in the refrigerator, so now we are preparing the filling. I have 2 russet potatoes that I have boiled, peeled, cooled, and mashed. And we are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder to them. We have 3/4 teaspoons of fennel, which we have previously crushed with a mortar and pestle. We have a 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. And then we have 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. And then we'll just combine these together. And this will be our filling for our Aloo potato parathas. I've divided the dough and the filling into 4 equal parts. And now I am going to take the dough and roll it into a 6-inch round. The dough is a little sticky, so I've used a lot of flour to try and control that. But this is about 6 inches. And now I'm going to put the potato ball in the center and bring the edges to the top. Kind of wrap the potato in there and make sure to seal the edges along the top and then flip it over. Now that we have our filling inside our dough ball, we are going to roll it into an 8-inch round. So I've got the paratha cooking on medium-high heat. We're going to let it cook for 2 minutes and then add some oil. Now we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons oil to this side. And flip it. Whoops. There we go. Now we're going to cook it 1 more minute on each side. And we'll flip it 1 more time.